Hey everyone, let's look at another scene. Watch this carefully, take a moment, just observe. He walks into the kitchen, still half asleep, and opens the fridge. He looks closely. It's completely overloaded. Everything looks slightly unstable. And then everything bursts forward, items falling all at once. And that jar, it hits the floor and shatters. He's completely thrown off. Now it escalates. Liquid starts spilling over, seeping across the floor. He tries to react, but it's happening too fast. He's trying to steady himself, but he's losing his footing. The floor is slick, glass pieces scattered everywhere. At this point, he doesn't even know what to deal with first. So you could describe the whole scene like this. He walks into the kitchen, still half asleep, and casually opens the fridge. However, the fridge is overloaded, and everything inside seems unstable. The moment he opens it, items burst forward, falling all at once. A glass jar drops and shatters on the floor, catching him completely off guard. Soon, liquids begin to spill over and seep across the floor, making the situation even more difficult to manage. As he tries to react, he starts to lose his footing because the surface has become slick. Broken glasses scattered around, and the entire scene becomes difficult to handle. One of those moments when everything just spirals before you even get a chance to react. And you are left standing there, trying to make sense of it all. Sometimes all you can do is pause for a second, right? Take care. I'll see you in the next one.